President Museveni azze mu kikkaatiriza nga tekigwanidde kuyimbula bantu ku kakalu ka kkooti nga bwe kizze kirabwako. Ono agamba nti abamu ku bantu bano tebasaanidde kuweebwa kakalu kano olw'ensonga nti emisango gye baba bazizza gibajja nagomola nga n'olw'ensonga eyo basaanidde okusasulira bye baba bakola. Ono awadde ebyokulabirako ebiwerako mwalambikidde nti abamu ku abo abaalingawo bwe battanga bannaabwe nabo ekibonerezo baafunanga kyakufa nandiki okuliwa. Ono ategeezezza ng'ensonga eno bw'agenda ozigiweereza mu bannabyabufuzi okubeera nga bagisalira amagezi.
But now, in no time, we are now being told that bail is a right. Really? Somebody has killed a person and you see him walking here. This is a provocation, I can tell you. This is a provocation. We cannot accept it. And the CJ made it very clear that that's why people are taking the law in their own hands. This bail is a big provocation. We are going to address it. Also, politically, we are going to, constitutionally, we are going to mobilize ourselves. I'm glad the CJ has, because it will cause us problems. It will discredit the whole system, the government, the political side, but also the judiciary. Is this issue of maximum sentence, life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. But you killed a person. You are not put in jail for life. The one you killed is not in jail. He is dead. So for us, it is an eye for an eye. The question of commuting the death sentence, that can come later. But it must be a life for a life.
Wabula Ssabalamuzi wa nnyaffe Uganda Owiny Dollo naye alina obubaka bw'awadde ng'ayiwa amazzi mu ndowooza y'omukulembeze w'eggwanga.
So in the exercise of judicial discretion to grant bail, it is the duty of a judicial officer to look at all these circumstances and boldly, without fear or favor, make the decision whether to grant or not to grant. For me, as head of the judiciary, I would like to see judicial officers taking into account these considerations and noting them down, so that there is no doubt as to what could have moved a particular judicial officer to grant bail or to exercise discretion in other circumstances where the law permits the exercise of discretion.
President Museveni ayina obubaka bw'aweereza abantu abazze emisango ku bannansi.
Remember in Kiwanuka, we are condemning Idi Amin and all those that were with him. So this is a good lesson for the people who may have authority to know that sooner or later you will be accountable for bad things or good things.
Owiny Dollo akoonyeeko ku nsonga y'obuli bw'enguzi obukutte wansi ne waggulu mu kitongole ky'akulira awamu n'emisango egitakwatiddwako egiri mu kitongole kino. Kyagambye nti atunuulidde okulaba nga omusango gumalirizibwa mu bbanga lya mwaka gumu. Ono anukoddeyo amawanga agatali gamu gaalaze nti go emisango giteekeddwa ossonjolebwa mu bbanga lya myezi 6.
This country, the corrupt are heroes. They are adored. Those who live righteously are scorned because they have nothing. So it will take more than just the judiciary to fight corruption in this country. It is certainly very painful that any one judicial officer can even contemplate trading justice like a commodity.
Abaliko Ssabalamuzi wa nnyaffe Uganda okuli Bat Magunda Katurebe awamu ne Benjamin Odoki basiimiddwa era ne baweebwa engule eya Benedicto Kiwanuka Award. Bano basiimye enteekateeka yonna.
We delay to deliver judgments we are violating the rights of others. I pledge to keep interested in the matters of administration and delivery of justice in a private capacity. I will be dealing with matters of finding alternative ways of resolving disputes in a private capacity, and I believe that will be complementing what we are doing in the judiciary.
He died in defense of the independence of the judiciary, the rule of law, and the protection of human rights, which are essential for the promotion of constitutionalism, democracy, and good governance. Those of us who accepted to serve as Chief Justice hoped to advance his judicial legacy.
Ku mukolo gwe gumu omukulembeze w'eggwanga atongozza akatabo akakwata ku eyali Ssabalamuzi Samuel William Wambuzi ng'ono eyaddira mu bigere Benedicto Kiwanuka. Akatabo kano katuumiddwa obuweereza n'obwenkanya mu nnyaffe Uganda okumala ebbanga. Munamateeka Kirunda asomye ebitonotono ebikwata katabo kano.
Provides insights on perspectives on unique questions of law. His speech in Ottawa in 1995 provides an astute summary of how to incorporate tribal and customary law in adjudication of cases. Recent decisions such as one by Justice Sekana on Buganda culture and the recent decision resolving Kanyamunyu versus Uganda show us that these issues will always be with us.
Bino byonna bibadde mu kujjukira ebyafaayo awamu n'entuuyo ez'eyasooka okuba Ssaabalamuzi wa nnyaffe Uganda Benedicto Kiwanuka ng'ono yaddusibwa mu mwaka 1972. Ono yaggyibwa mu kkooti. Yisa Kigongo ku lwa Channel 44 olweggulo.